Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician, and in this video I will be reviewing some products that I recently got from or recently received from Facethreory. So the first one is the JOJOBA rebalancing face and body oil, and the second one is the Facethreory Blemi Calm Azelaic Acid 15% clarifying serum. So like I said, okay, I think I got these products. I received these products a week ago, and since then I have been incorporating them into my skincare routine. Because first of all, the oil I was using in the past, I had run out of it, and I was thinking, oh my days, I need to repurchase my oils. But lo and behold, I got this, and I decided to give it a try. And also, I was like, okay, you know what? It would be nice to come out here, because I wasn't planning on doing a review, but I was like, it would become nice to come out here because someone might just find this video really helpful. So let's begin. The first product I will review is first of all, I remember when I got the invite, because I went for their PR, they invited me basically. So I went for, I think they sort of rebranded. And when I saw them, I was like, Facethreory, I know this name, but I couldn't recognize. When I saw from the design, I couldn't really recall. Then I had to Google to check the old design. So this is actually new and improved. I like their new and improved look. Anyway, that's by the way. So now we're going to talk about the Facethreory Blemi Balm Azelaic Acid 15% clarifying serum. So in the past, I've used, to be honest, I don't know what the exact Facethreory products I've used, but I'm 100% sure I've used some of their products. And I think, to be honest, I don't want to make mistakes, but I don't know, I have a feeling I used the azelaic acid. Either it's azelaic acid or vitamin C, and then I'm very sure I most likely bought their oil as well, their jojoba oil. But then to be honest, I don't know what happened, because it's been years and years ago. So generally, azelaic acid is such an amazing skincare ingredient that's very beneficial to people who have acne-prone skin, who suffer rosacea, who have pigmentation issues. So azelaic acid is such a lovely skincare ingredient that help to even out the skin. Azelaic acid also has antimicrobial properties, so it helps to target acne-causing bacteria, and then it has anti-inflammatory properties which helps to calm redness down. So in the case, yeah, it helps to calm redness down. So this particular one also contains colloidal oats, and I have only just started using it, and I would say it's not that I have seen any difference, because I mean, generally my skin is okay. So and before now, I've always used azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is one active, not from Facethreory, from another brand, but azelaic acid generally something I use almost every single day. So in essence, this azelaic acid from Facethreory, it targets blemishes. It also targets uneven skin, so it helps it to even the skin tone, amongst other things. And like I said, I have only recently started using this, and my skin, I mean, I don't have issues with it, honestly. So this is, it has no fragrance to it. So this is what it looks. It's a bit creamy, it's a bit thick. So I mean, one pump would be ideal. Yeah, one pump would be ideal. So you just spread this all over your face, and like I said, I think I've just been using this for under 1 week, honestly, just to maintain my skin, because I really don't have that much concern, just few blemishes here and there. So generally, this is, I mean, I'm appreciative. I'm glad I received this, because I mean, it's something I already use azelaic acid. So do I approve of this? I really like it, honestly. So this contains 15% azelaic acid. So I would say that if you're all new to azelaic acid, it's something that you want to start off maybe once or twice a week. Just, in fact, honestly, apply it and see how your skin tolerates it, because this has like I said, 15% concentration, so it's quite high, and depends on how sensitive your skin is, or how you can tolerate this. So if you see that it's quite, like, I mean, you can tell if something is quite strong, it's it's a bit tingly, or you can just tell. Do you understand? So in that kind of case, if you have any form of reaction to it, you want to reduce the application, or if you react, in essence, you stop it. But you start applying this, I mean, start like every other day, not daily. Then when you build up tolerance, if you have issues with it, then you can use it on daily basis. So, and how you want to incorporate this into your skincare routine is cleanse and tone your skin, then use this and follow up with a moisturizer, and then a broad spectrum SPF is a must, because azelaic acid makes the skin sensitive. So that's it for this azelaic acid. And I don't know if I mentioned, it also has colloidal oatmeal, which is equally really calming. So for this 30 ml product, it costs £26. And for the second product I have here is the jojoba rebalancing face and body oil. I just checked their website, and I think they still have the old oil. They haven't updated with this one. Maybe I'm not looking in the right place, but anyway, that's it. Like I said, this is really brand new and all that. And so, okay, jojoba oil with vitamins E. That means I saw it on the website, but it was the old packaging I saw. So this is 100 ml worth of product. I will be sure to get the price on their website. And jojoba generally is a very good, is known to be very hydrating. Jojoba and vitamin E, they're known to be hydrating and amazing on the skin. So this one is set to hydrate, balance, and soothe. And this is multi-purpose as well. So it's an organic face and body oil to hydrate, regulate sebum production, and suit all skin types. That's what is said to be done. And this is one I've been using day and night, honestly, because like I mentioned earlier, I ran out of my oils. And so I'm going to, it doesn't have any fragrance to it. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It has a bit of yellow tint to it, yellow gold. So I'm just placing 2 drops on my palm, and it's not, you know, those kind of oils that are quite thick. This is not exactly so thick. I mean, it's good enough for me to use on my face. And like I mentioned earlier, I have oily skin, but I'm able to use this and get away with it, because sometimes my skin, I mean, moisturizing my skin alone doesn't just do it for me. So, or maybe sometimes I do not want to use moisturizer. So maybe I'll use my treatments or my serums, and I'll follow up with like a hydrating oil like this, especially when I want to get that glow, if you know what I mean. So this is one that I've been using for a week plus now, and it hasn't broken me out. And I use this on my body parts as well. Like before I started this video, I just put a few drops on my palm and applied all over my arms like this. It glides on really well. I absolutely love this oil. The fact that I can use it on your face and body, and it is also like, it's quite a lot. So I don't know how, like, this is going to last me a while. And yeah, that's it. So this is basically how you want to incorporate this into your routine. Is you cleanse and tone as usual, use all your skincare products, and then this would be the last you use in the daytime before your SPF. And then, I mean, before you use it, you put a few drops on your palm. 1 or 2 drops is ideal for the face. Then you warm it up, you massage it, then you apply gently, apply all over your face. And then for your body, the same method, just use enough, and this goes on. It doesn't leave the skin feeling really, it's not heavy on the skin. And even after using it, my skin is able to breathe as well. It's not those types that just seal the skin and leave the skin feeling like it's suffocating. It's such an amazing oil. So I mean, that's it for the this review, what I feel about these products. I'm so glad I got them, because there's nothing as good as getting products that you actually use. Because a lot of times, I mean, I get products and I end up giving them away because either they're not for my skin type or they don't just work for me. I end up giving them away. But this one, I actually use them. And I think out of the two, I don't even know which is my favorite, like which comes first. I would say, in fact, both of them, they're a tie, you know, even though I've just used them for 1 week. And yes, honestly, this is my review on this product. So if it's something that you're considering, you know, Facethreory, absolutely you can jump on it. Like, I approve of them, and yeah, I like it. Okay, from the website I can see this costs £14. So I don't know if it's this one in particular, but the old packaging I can see it costs £14. So I don't know if it's same as this one. It might just be, and if it's that, then it's reasonable considering the fact that you get 100 ml worth of products. And you can even, I mean, put a little on your hair as well. In fact, honestly, this is a multi-purpose oil. And also, if you like to mix your oils with your moisturizers, this would be such a good oil to mix with your moisturizer, you know. And this will really be good for people with dry skin. Honestly, all skin types, I would say most especially dry skin, or if you just want to add that glow, this would be such an amazing oil. So yes, that's it for my review on this for this Facethreory products that I received. Have you tried any Facethreory products before? Let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know as well in the comment section below. And with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.